Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to commercial electricians in Bucks County or Montgomery County, if you're looking for an electrician, someone you can trust, I'm standing with Mike Girardi Electric. Mike, your company has been recognized as one of the best electrical companies in the entire region. When it comes to electricians, you don't want to trust your electrical work to anybody. So Mike, tell me how important it is to have a certified electrician.
We're actually master electricians. I have a master electrician's license in New Jersey and Philadelphia. A lot of other electricians that work in the area, they don't have master electrician's license. They don't have any formal education in the field. Even my employees, Mike Jr. and Eli, they both have apprenticeship training through the state. They're in the process of that now. That actually takes 4 years to do. It's continuing education hours and on-the-job training with new products and new code changes and stuff like that. So that's one of the biggest benefits that homeowners and contractors can get from us is our expertise in the area, not just a truck saying we're electricians.
I can't stress how important it is to have a professional certified electrician on the job that has the experience and history. You've been doing this a long time. The building inspectors know Mike. I mean, really, your project is not going to be held up because of your electrician. How long have you been doing this for? And tell me what kind of projects you're taking on today.
We actually started our business in 1995. We've worked for contractors, homeowners. I actually got started in this business when I was 12. Mr. Amon, the guy that I worked for, he was a perfectionist. So if you did something and it wasn't as perfect as could be, take it down and do it again. And that's how I still do business.
When it comes to electricians, I could stress how important it is to have someone that takes that kind of care on the job. It's not just commercial, it's residential as well. So you can do everything from the attic ceiling fans to hot tubs to what kind of other things are you doing for homeowners as well as contractors?
We do a lot of kitchen remodeling for contractors that are remodeling an entire kitchen and changing floor plans and everything. We go in and we do recessed lighting, under cabinet lighting, new appliance circuits. We do a lot of pendants over the islands. We can even design lighting plans and stuff like that for people that need ideas.
You didn't mention one thing, and I understand you also do generators, which is an important element.
We do commercial generators, residential. Anyone's house needs a generator. And we even do portable generators for people who don't have a natural gas service at their buildings. We can even get them in diesel for larger buildings like hotels and stuff like that. Do
your research. Get a trusted electrician on your job. When it comes to safety,
safety is one of our biggest concerns for our homeowners and the family. I mean, if we wouldn't do something in our own house and trust our family to stay there, we wouldn't do it in someone else's.
Mike, thank you so much.
Thanks, Dave.
Mike, thank you for joining us, and I look forward to promoting your services and letting other people know. Find a trusted electrician, whether it's a commercial or residential job. It's electrical, and you need it done right. Thanks again.